Hi there. A few weeks ago I uploaded a video how to use Midjourney free for a lifetime. That video helped many individuals, but since yesterday I am receiving these comments as job action restricted due to extreme demand. We can't provide a free trial right now. Please /subscribe or try again tomorrow. This is due to the policy change of Midjourney on the 31st of March, 2023, behaving just like ChatGPT. It will not work at the time you want or when the server is loaded, but do not worry, I have shown the way out. When you visit my channel, you will see this video free alternatives to Midjourney. These are amazing. You will forget Midjourney. Well, you can also use top similar alternatives to Midjourney. The Blue Willow on Discord. Go to Discord, click on the plus icon, join the server, write Blue Willow in search and join it. I have already joined. Once you are there, you will see rookies channels just like newbies of Midjourney. You see already millions of people are there and producing amazing images. Here you have to play around with prompts, because the more you play around, the better results you will get. These are machines that we humans train. The more we interact with it, the more intelligent it will be. Today Midjourney is intelligent is due to our interaction and efforts. One day Blue Willow will compete with Midjourney. Here just for illustration, great prompt, we are working on it. It takes less time than Midjourney. You see the result is awesome. By the way, you can sell your avatars on Fiverr.com and some other platforms. If you want to explore other great alternatives to Midjourney, check out the video link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.